Welcome back here to New Day, Cleveland. It's coming. I'm talking about the cold weather, and along with that, our dry, cracked hands. I'm already feeling it. So here to help us is Dr. Alexis Stecker. She's joining us from Apex Skin, and congratulations are in order because you are at your new Menor location.
Yes, thank you. Happy to be opening our 9th location here at Apex Skin.
So this is that time of year, Dr. Stecker, where our hands, I feel like we've been feeling it already because we're washing our hands so much, making sure we're keeping ourselves safe from getting COVID. But on top of that, now we have winter coming.
Right.
What is the best thing that we can do to help protect our hands in this situation? Is there something we can do?
So, of course, we want to keep everyone safe during this pandemic. So washing your hands is definitely important. And I encourage using alcohol-based hand sanitizer as well. But the most important thing is just keeping a lot of moisturizer on the hands. So throughout the day, at least twice a day, but if you can remember throughout the day to just use a lot of moisturizer on the hands to protect that skin barrier.
Do you have recommendations on types of moisturizers? I know there's all different kinds out there. I remember my mom back in the day, she would put Vaseline on her hands and put gloves on them. Because hers would get so bad. What do you recommend? Just regular cream?
Sure. So Vaseline on the hands is actually a great option, but it's not very practical for
exactly.
No one wants greasy hands. So I recommend more of a cream. So creams usually come in more of a tub or jar rather than a lotion with a pump, and they're a little bit thicker and more hydrating. So any type of cream is good, and we also recommend usually unscented creams are better for, especially with those patients for more sensitive skin as we go into the winter.
Interesting. Now, I know when we think about hand sanitizing, a lot of people do that instead of washing the hands. Do you recommend the hand sanitizer as a way of maybe lessening what it's doing to our hands, or still got to go the good old-fashioned way with washing?
So washing your hands with soap and water is the best way to get viruses and bacteria off. However, if you're prone to dry skin, actually alcohol-based hand sanitizer is better. So if you're starting to get dry, cracked hands, I'd recommend using alcohol-based hand sanitizer over washing your hands. And we want to make sure that hand sanitizer has 60 to 70% alcohol, which has been shown by the CDC to be the best for fighting off bacteria and viruses.
So the other big thing, is we're leading into this time of year. I'm just thinking about the fact that once a year, I always get my moles checked. I'm always making sure my skin is cancer-free. And there is something I think that's spectacular that you guys are doing. You're offering is a free skin check coming up, right?
Yes. Yes, so we are offering a free skin check on November 4th. And it'll be here at our Menor location. And to come, you just need to call our office and schedule an appointment, and we're happy to see you.
Speaking of appointments, what I also love, because it seems always hard to get into a dermatologist's office. You can sometimes offer, depending on the situation, same-day appointments.
Yes, we do offer same-day appointments here at Apex Skin at all of our locations, and we're happy to see patients the same day.
I think it's wonderful, and I also think, again, having that free skin check is just so amazing. You have no excuse then to not go and make sure that you're taking care of your body. Any other recommendations for this time of year as we transition really into winter when it comes to things that we should be paying attention to on our skin?
Sure. So as we transition into winter, even though the sun isn't out as much, it's still important to wear your SPF every day because UV rays are still coming in through the windows, still coming in when you're driving in your car, even when you're walking in the building to go to work, or during this time, I guess, stay at home. So it's still important to wear that SPF. We recommend 30 or greater every single day, and especially on the face and the backs of your hands.
Well, again, the new location, stunning location there in Menor that you can go and visit them. Dr. Stecker, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it. Again, 9 locations all over Northeast Ohio, right?
Yep, that's correct.
So again, no excuses. So many places where you can go and get even those same-day appointments as well. Thank you for joining us. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
You have a great day.